I can drink milk. Oh my god, it looks so good. Perfect. But as you guys know, I'm from Ukraine. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. You're watching Barvina. So today I will show you what I found out I can do at home. It's something sweet and something with like a lot of calories, but once a week or twice a week, I think you can do it. So I bought this bread, and also, as you can see, there is Nutella and banana, and in a second you will see what I do, and it's actually like, it tastes amazing. And first I did it for myself, but then my mom saw it and she wanted to try it, and then my dad saw it and he wanted to try it too. So I take one piece of bread, and also I need a knife to put Nutella. You guys comment down below if you like Nutella, but I don't know anybody who doesn't like Nutella. I mean, if you're allergic to nuts, then maybe, but from my friends, I don't have anybody who is allergic to nuts. Also, you know, a funny story. Okay, so I will tell you previously about that. So I really like milk. I can drink milk with, like, I can pour milk into a glass and I can drink it. So, and I always liked milk. But when I turned 14, I think it was 14 or 13, I started noticing that I feel bad. I need another knife. I feel bad when after I drink milk. So I went to the doctor and they took some, they did blood work on me, and they told me that I'm not allergic, but I can drink milk. So for a while I stopped drinking milk or anything that contains milk. But when I turned 15, I think I was 13 or 14, but then when I turned, like, after a year, when I excluded everything milk from my diet, I was able to go back to milk again. So look how cute it looks like. So I put bananas here. But the best parts will be right now, because we have a grill there, and I will put it on a grill. So I don't like microwave it or anything like that. And it will be hot, warm, and yummy. So yum. Now let's go and put it outside. This is our grill. And then I put it for like, oh my god, it looks so good. And then I put it for around 2 minutes, just for a little bit, and then I take it out and it tastes amazing. So guys, if you like something like that, try it. Like, it's actually worth it. And let's go, and I will take a spoon. I will take this one for us. Usually where is the black one? The black. Mom, is it dirty or?
Yeah, it's dirty.
Okay, so I can take the black one. So I will take the yellow one. Let's go. And also a life hack, because after that, after you eat, you know, you have a bloated stomach, so you should always wear something like that. So after you eat, you feel perfect. I mean, you're perfect just the way you are, of course, but you know, I care about my house and stuff. That's why it's really important to eat properly and eat healthy food too. So it looks like that. Let's touch it. Okay. And also, because it's like warm and stuff, the banana tastes amazing after. So I'm really excited. And for lunch today, I had salad. So I had salad first, and then now I have the Nutella dessert. Okay, guys, I think it's ready to be picked up. You can see I'm like a master at picking up from there, because I did it quite a lot of times. And now let's put it to stop. And now my favorite part is I will go and pour some milk, and it will be so tasty and yummy. Also, guys, I'm sorry. So I don't know, I need to practice more and film more videos in English. And if you guys want me to film more videos in English to maybe show my day or show how I hang out with my friends and stuff, push the like button right now, and it will be like a challenge for me too, so my English will get better and it will be more interesting for you to watch too. But as you guys know, I'm from Ukraine, so yeah. Okay, so I have the glass. Also today I went to CVS and I never really drink chocolate milk or strawberry milk, but I feel like I didn't drink like chocolate milk for I don't know, for like 2 years or 3 years. I don't even remember the last time I drank this type of milk. But I went to CVS today and I saw it and I'm like, I want that, so I bought it. But I feel like this chocolate milk will be too much with Nutella. Okay, wait. It's a new bottle. Also, there was a one period of my life, it was like 2 weeks ago, when I really wanted to drink coffee, and I went to Starbucks almost every day. And then after, when I understood that the only thing where I spend my money is like on Starbucks, because I like actually like I wanted coffee, and also it's not healthy too, because I don't drink coffee like, for example, like my mom and dad drinks. I drink coffee like caramel frappuccino, and it's not good for you. So after I tried to do coffee at home, but I don't, also an interesting fact about me, I don't like anything that is warm. So I don't really like tea, I don't like warm coffee and stuff like that. I hope it will change when I will get older, but who knows. But after, I also went to CVS and I saw this cold brew from Starbucks, and I actually, like, I tried it and I thought that it would be a lot better, but it's not as good as I thought it would be. It's like supposed to be, but it's not bad. But then now I can drink coffee. So I didn't drink coffee for I don't know how long, for like 1 week now. But yeah. And also today I went to CVS and I bought these Kinder eggs, and they are so cute, so tiny and yummy. And also, if you like cut it or bite the half of it, then there is a white thing in there. Okay, let's go and eat finally. Okay guys, this vlog about food continues, and I went to the supermarket, and I saw this Fanta with dragon fruit, and I never tried Fanta with dragon fruit. So, you know, I couldn't resist and I could not buy it. That's why I took it. And let's try again. I mean, you can see I drank it already, but let's try again and I will tell you. Actually, it's really interesting, you know? The flavor is interesting, and also it's like not so sweet, not sour. I don't know, I like this flavor. So if you guys never tried a Fanta with dragon fruit too, you should definitely try it. But you know, I actually like Coke more than Fanta. But this one is really interesting. Also, I was in the supermarket, I was with my brother David, and he was already tired walking. So I saw this thing and I'm like, I think he would like that because, you know, it makes this sound. So I gave this to him, and we bought it because he didn't want to let it go and he liked it. But he doesn't eat candy, so this candy is mine. And also we got some sushi. And also because today is David's birthday, he's 1 year old, I will go home